The jewelry industry is undergoing a renaissance, a fusion of artistry and technology. At the heart of this transformation is computer-aided design, or CAD, which has become the cornerstone of modern jewelry creation. With CAD, the possibilities are endless. We can create intricate designs that were once impossible. It's not just about drafting, it's about bringing imagination to life. CAD has democratized design, making it accessible to a broader range of creators. It's no longer confined to the big players. Independent designers are now shaping the future. And once you master these tools, you're not just a designer, you're a sought-after professional. The demand for CAD skills is soaring. Indeed, employment opportunities abound. From freelance gigs to positions at top design firms, CAD proficiency is a golden ticket in today's job market. We see a montage of job listings for CAD designers, highlighting the variety and global nature of the opportunities. As the industry evolves, so do the prospects for those who embrace CAD. It's not just a job, it's a craft, a career, and a passion. The future shines bright like a diamond crafted to perfection, a testament to the harmony of tradition and innovation.